It's time to turn health into wealth. Supplements have officially hit the Printify catalog. Your chance to enter a market worth billions and grow your sales. Hey, I'm Leah. Health supplements are in, people, and you heard it here first. And if you haven't, then it's time you learned how to get these products working for you. In this video, I'll show you all the new supplements you can start selling right now. But before you do, make sure you stick around for the quality and safety information. Smart sellers make sure they have all the facts. And to make sure you always do too, subscribe to Printify right here on YouTube. A recent survey shows that Gen Z and Millennials are spending more on wellness now than ever before. It's clear people these days are doing whatever they can to be proactive about their health. That's why from health and fitness to nutrition and wellness, there's a demand for supplements from just about every niche in the market. Don't believe me? Then I've got news for you. The numbers don't lie. The global supplements market was worth almost $200 billion in 2023. And if you counted up all the brands who got their share of those profits, then there'd be no way that they could all own and run factories of their own. And you'd be right. Most health and wellness brands have to outsource their production to the same central labs, all supplying the same brands that end up sitting next to each other on the shelves at stores and on the virtual shelves in online supplement marketplaces. Those brands spotted the trend and found manufacturers to create them a product. It's something that all of the big players do. Except now, you can too. Printify's partnership with FDA-Registered, GMP-Certified facilities means now you can start a health brand of your own and ship high-quality supplements to customers on demand. The best part is, these consumer products run out. Well, that isn't really the best for your customer, but it's pretty great for you. Coffee, beauty products, and yes, supplements need to be restocked often, which means these products become a source of recurring revenue and tend to have higher profit margins. Plus, with no upfront costs like inventory, warehousing, or minimum order requirements, that means more money left over for you. So just what kind of supplements can you start offering? Let's take a look. No matter what your customers' goals are for their wellness journey, the brand new selection of supplements in our catalog offers something for everyone. But before you start selling though, it's important for you to identify what supplements might be most suitable for your customers and their wellness goals. Just remember to not make any representations or warranties about the supplements beyond what is stated by the manufacturer. Clearly defining these goals for buyers not only helps guide them to the right items, it also lets you offer additional items which can contribute to them reaching their goals. Basically, categorizing supplements in your store is a great way to help you sell more. So, which supplements can help with which goals? Well, to optimize your exercise performance and help your customers reach their fitness goals, creatine, whey protein, BCAA, and pre-workouts are all in-demand products for gym goers. For general wellness, consider items like the Mushroom Blend supplement, vitamins and multivitamins, as well as electrolyte blends. And supplements like fiber, probiotics, and apple cider vinegar gummies are often considered beneficial for digestive support. But what about maintaining a calm and relaxed mood or achieving other lifestyle goals? Are there supplements for that too? Of course there are. Take a look at the insanely popular ashwagandha and organic beetroot capsules. From sleep and relaxation to joint and skin health and much, much more, we're adding new items to the catalog constantly to help boost your sales. However, if you still don't see something here that you want, let us know in the comments which supplements you're looking forward to selling. But quality, fulfillment, shipping, these are all things Printify and our network can help you with. Knowing where you can sell them and how they can earn you consistent profits, that's your job. Luckily for you, we've got a couple suggestions for that too. Top sellers launching brands for consumer products all have one thing in common. They use products like supplements to supplement their sales and reinforce their income. That being said, there's still some things to keep in mind. Currently, our dietary supplements are only available for sale in the United States. But hold tight because we're working on expanding to more countries. You also won't be able to sell Printify facilitated supplements on marketplaces like Etsy or eBay. Marketplaces like these have strict policies for what can and can't be sold on their sites. If anything changes though, our blog and Help Center articles will be the first to let you know. So having your own standalone store page is essential. Create one now using any one of our partner integrations and easily link it to your Printify account. Or check out this webinar we did with Shopify expert Joe Robert. He'll walk you through launching your own standalone store step by step. Check out the link in the description after the video to find out more. Once you create your store, it might also be a good idea to look into insurance. Protecting yourself and your business is important. And while Printify doesn't offer insurance or insurance advice, making sure you're always covered is just good business. But for help with orders, products, or sales channels, our 24/7 support team has your back. As you create products, don't forget that while you have creative freedom over the label design, some necessary information will always be included as part of the label template, like the item's ingredients, nutrition facts, and origin. Once your supplements are live, leverage your existing niche and consider offering related products to boost sales. For example, if you already sell fitness gear, sports supplements are a natural fit for your brand. Or you could do the opposite, sell gear and other merch in addition to your dietary supplements. But the strategy we'd advise is a tried and tested one that's ready for you to make it your own. It's time we talked subscriptions. The best kind of buyer is a repeat buyer, the kind that keeps coming back to a brand they love because it's reliable. But what about buyers that like to try something new every once in a while and hate to choose? Because let's be honest, making choices sucks. So, is there a way to sell to one without losing the other? There is. Subscriptions. Imagine being part of a health club that sends you supplements every month based on your needs. You could even try tiered monthly subscriptions with different supplements included in each plan. The point is to emphasize the unique value of your supplements as much as you can. Highlight why your subscription is better than choosing supplements randomly at the store. Will subscribers save money in the long run? What will subscribing to your brand say about the buyer? Your customers think about these things, and if you do too, then give this video a like. They'll be curious to know more, and they'll be nervous to sign up. It makes sense. Paying for a subscription for something you haven't tried is a big ask. That's why it's worth considering offering free samples to let customers see for themselves. You can also hire influencers to try those samples and create user-generated content. A TikTok study actually revealed that buyers trust videos from fellow buyers over brands when deciding what to buy. Or you could even try out the samples yourself and share your experience on your store socials. Just like with orders though, don't forget that samples can only be delivered in the US. The point is, building trust with your customers is what will motivate them to keep coming back. The more effort you put into that, the more your customer will want to keep coming back. Ready to get your share of the next stage of on-demand e-commerce? Check out all the latest supplements and other consumer packaged products in our catalog. Head to Printify.com and start selling now. See you next time.